The date palm, Phoenix dactylifer, is one of the oldest cultivated fruit trees in human history, with evidence of cultivation dating back over 6,000 years in the Middle East. Native to arid regions such as North Africa and the Middle East, the date palm has played a crucial role in the agricultural, economic, and cultural life of desert civilizations. It is highly valued not only for its sweet fruits but also for its hardy nature, which allows it to thrive in harsh, arid climates where few other crops can survive. Date palms are a symbol of prosperity and life in desert regions, often referred to as the tree of life. Physical characteristics. Date palms are tall, evergreen trees that can reach heights of 15 to 25 meters, 50 to 82 feet, although some exceptional specimens may grow even taller. They have a single, unbranched trunk covered with rough, diamond-shaped leaf bases from old fronds. The leaves are pinnate, meaning they are feather-shaped, long, and arching, typically measuring 3 to 5 meters in length. The leaflets are narrow and pointed, giving the tree a graceful, feathery appearance. Date palms are dioecious, meaning individual plants are either male or female. This separation requires careful cultivation for fruit production, as only female trees bear dates, but they must be pollinated by male trees. Growth and adaptation. Date palms are exceptionally well adapted to desert environments. They tolerate extreme heat, high salinity, and drought, making them ideal for cultivation in arid regions. Their deep rooting system allows them to access underground water, while their tough, wax-coated leaves reduce water loss through transpiration. Date palms are slow-growing but long-lived, with productive lifespans of 60 to 80 years. Some ancient date palms, like those in the Middle East, are over 1,000 years old, continuing to bear fruit and provide ecological benefits. Reproduction and pollination. The reproductive biology of date palms is interesting and unique. As dioecious plants, male and female trees are separate. For fruit production, pollen from male flowers must be transferred to female flowers, either naturally by wind or through artificial hand pollination, a common practice in commercial cultivation. Flowering occurs once a year, and each female tree can produce hundreds of date clusters, with each cluster containing 100 to 200 fruits. The fruit itself is a drupe, meaning it has a single seed encased in a sweet, fleshy pulp. The timing of harvest varies depending on the variety, but it generally occurs in late summer to early fall. Economic and nutritional importance. Date palms are economically significant, especially in the Middle East, North Africa, and South Asia. The fruit is highly nutritious, rich in carbohydrates, dietary fiber, potassium, magnesium, and vitamins such as B-complex and A. Dates are consumed fresh or dried, incorporated into traditional dishes, sweets, and beverages, or processed into syrup and paste. Beyond food, date palms provide materials for construction, animal fodder, and handicrafts. The fronds are used for weaving baskets, mats, and fences, while the trunk wood serves in construction and furniture making. Ecological and cultural significance. Beyond economic value, date palms have ecological and cultural importance. They provide shade and reduce soil erosion in desert landscapes. The trees also serve as a habitat for birds and insects, supporting biodiversity in harsh environments. Culturally, date palms hold a prominent place in Middle Eastern and North African traditions, often symbolizing fertility, life, and hospitality. They are mentioned in historical texts, religious scriptures, and folklore, reflecting their enduring presence in human society. Varieties and global distribution. There are over 200 varieties of date palms worldwide, each differing in size, shape, color, and taste of the fruit. Popular varieties include Medjool, Diglet Noor, Barhi, and Zahidi, each prized for its unique texture and sweetness. While native to the Middle East, date palms are now cultivated in North Africa, South Asia, California, Arizona, and other arid regions globally. Modern cultivation combines traditional knowledge with advanced horticultural practices to maximize yield and fruit quality. Conclusion. The date palm is more than just a fruit-bearing tree, it is a resilient symbol of life in harsh desert environments, an essential economic resource, and a plant deeply embedded in human history and culture. Its adaptability, nutritional value, and multifaceted uses make it one of the most remarkable and enduring plants in the world. From ancient oases to modern agricultural landscapes, the date palm continues to sustain communities, ecosystems, and traditions alike.